Hi everybody, it's Alex with Master Odor Removal San Diego. I'm servicing this beautiful Porsche Taycan 4S. Somebody has purchased it at a Porsche dealership. We're servicing it for tobacco. They're complaining. We've turned on the seats. They're air-cooled seats, and you can really smell it coming through the AC with the recirc button on. We'll go ahead and take care of that with our second step process, the AC and the air-cooled seats, the cushions to get rid of the lingering smoke odor. We'll service the all the hard plastics, the headliner here, the carpeting, the mats front and back, and then the trunk, which is right here. I'll make sure everything in there smells fresh and clean as well. We also service all the hard plastics, the door panels, and the rubber that's in the unibody and around the door. We service that as well on each door, just to make sure everything is fully deodorized. We are luxury car odor removal specialists here in North County, San Diego, and all over California and the country. And we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.